If you thought there aren't enough phone companies trying their luck in India already, we have some good news for you. There's another one joining the race. It's a Vietnam-based phone maker called Mobiistar with two I's in the spelling, and in this video, we will be taking a closer look at one of their new phones for India, the XQ Dual, coming up next on TechPP.com. Hey guys, this is Shubham from TechPP, and today we will be unboxing and sharing our first impressions about the Mobiistar XQ Dual. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified as soon as we post a new video. So let's get started with the unboxing. So here is the box. Let's get this off. On the top we have the phone itself. It's the black variant which has a generic design. We will come back to that later. Next, there's the usual documentation, protective case, and at the bottom we have the micro USB cable, the SIM ejector pin, and the 5V 1.5 amp charger. The phone has an aluminium unibody with plastic at the top and bottom of the rear. There are gold accents around the antenna lines, fingerprint sensor, buttons, and the camera module, which makes the otherwise dull exterior a bit nicer. The XQ Dual's biggest highlight are these two camera sensors on the front. Clearly, the focus is on selfies with this phone, as there is also a front flash. A 13 megapixel primary lens and another 8 megapixel lies on the front. But unlike what you would expect, there is no portrait mode. Instead, the secondary lens is being used for wide-angle selfies. On the back, you only get one, which is a 13 megapixel f2.0 sensor. Other than that, the phone has a pretty standard design and a 5.5-inch Full HD screen, which is not one of those new 18:9 tall ones. There's a Snapdragon 430 processor, 3GB of RAM, 32GB of internal storage which can be expanded through a microSD slot and a 3000 mAh battery. The phone does support two SIM cards and carries a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor, which is not one of the fastest we have seen in this price segment. It comes preloaded with Android Nougat with their own custom skin on top and a few already installed apps like Flipkart, who is also the company's exclusive seller in India. Mobiistar is being conservative with its initial set of launches by concentrating on the booming selfie smartphone segment in India. But the good part is they're already assembling their phones in India. Stay tuned as we put the phone through its paces and let you know if you should consider the XQ Dual for your next purchase. Until the next time, may the tech be with you.